Ever wish you could just talk to your spreadsheets instead of fighting with complex formulas? Welcome back. Today, we're looking at FormulaBot, an AI-powered data assistant that claims to act as your personal data analyst. Trusted by over 1 million users, this tool is designed to help business owners, creators, and teams take the headache out of data analysis. You don't need to know how to code, write complex SQL, or memorize Excel formulas. You just upload your data, ask a question in plain English, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. So, what can this tool actually do? FormulaBot breaks its capabilities down into a few main areas. First, there's data visualization. You can ask the bot to aggregate your data, like sorting total profit by month, and it instantly generates clear, beautiful charts. Second, it handles data preparation and manipulation. If you have messy data sets, you can use the AI to clean up columns, merge different files, filter rows, and reformat your data without manual sorting. Third, it has built-in text analysis. You can upload text like customer reviews and instantly run sentiment analysis to see if they are positive, neutral, or negative, or even extract key terms and translate text. And finally, my favorite feature, AI dashboards. You can literally describe the kind of dashboard you need, and the AI generates a fully interactive visual layout. You can pick templates, customize the details, and even schedule automatic data refreshes to keep your insights up to date. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. To be completely transparent, we don't have a massive database of third-party user reviews to pull from today, so we have to look at this from a practical standpoint. On the pro side, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You can connect multiple data sources easily, and the natural language interface means you don't need a degree in data science to get valuable insights. It's fast, visual, and highly accessible. On the con side, as with any AI data tool, your results are only as good as the data you put in. If your spreadsheets are completely disorganized or formatted incorrectly, the AI might struggle to give you accurate answers. You'll still need to double-check the AI's math and logic, especially when making major business decisions. Overall, if you find yourself staring blankly at Excel or Google Sheets for hours, FormulaBot is absolutely worth a look. It simplifies the tedious parts of data management so you can focus on growing your business. The best part, you can try it out for free without putting down a credit card. Head over to formulabot.com to test it with your own data. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to analyze your business data? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.